Hello, my name is Therese and I am the coordinator of the Walsh Center. And I'm here today to take a moment to show you how to use speech to text software in a Google Doc. The first thing you need to do is open up your Google Doc in the Chrome browser. For this to work effectively, you need to use Chrome browser and not another browser. The second thing you're going to do is you're going to go over to Tools and you're going to go to Voice Typing. And this will open up a microphone over on the side. When you're ready to talk so that the computer will type for you, you hit the microphone. Once you hit the microphone, the computer will begin typing. You can talk as quickly and as fast as you want, but you need to enunciate for the computer to pick up your words, period. You can add punctuation by saying period, question mark, exclamation point. You can also use commands to have the cursor move on its own. Period, new line, new line, new line. When you make a mistake when you're talking, you can say backspace, 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 and it will delete one word at a time. Period. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to the Walsh Center. Thank you for watching this quick video on how to use speech-to-text software. Period. As I just talked, you'll see that the Walsh Center wasn't spelled correctly, but you can go back and edit that with your keyboard. Period. The more you talk, I find the better the algorithm gets to recognize your voice and the things that you're wanting to say. Period. Well, that's all for today. I'll see you next week with our Technology Tuesday tips.